hi guys! For today's video, we're here at Kalimodan Festival. Tisulan, located at Tisulan, Sultan Kudarat. Opo! Sultan Kudarat guys! So for today's vlog guys, kami sa ride. Go guys! Thank you! Sabi kaway ka ng pilitan! Tsura saway ng pilitan! After guys! Let's go! Daw makakasulat! So guys, after some rides guys, we're gonna find kainan. Opo. Yes, Asutukil. Yeah, ano? Hindi mo. Tapiak. Let's go! So guys, as of the moment guys, nagapangita kami sa kaunan. Nalipat ko kung pangalan sa tong seafood, feel ko dito banda. So, guys, nakita na naman. Yo. So, ni siya diri guys. Di na to. Ato guys. Hungry fish seafood grill. Let's go. Ato guys, 399. Thank you. Guys, bakal kami siya ni guys. Baby crabs daw kaloy ang Balneara.
Dubulat daw.
Dana?
Dubulat.
Gag. Ano last?
Hindi baka ito sang isang mas busog na.
Namit siya guys. Pero sa guys. Pero guys Hungry fish seafood grill.
You need to sift every corner of the part of the crab so that you can taste the meat. Let's go.
Let's go.
The meat. So no Tagalog.
Here guys, you're gonna bite this. What do we call this?
The what?
The legs. The legs of the
GPT,
crab.
what is this?
We need to bite the legs of the shrimp because it has meat also.
Wow.
Like that. And then we're guys. Like this.
Guys, eco-friendly.
But you can also eat it with the shell, guys, like this. Let's go.
Kuya, how's your experience po sa Vikings?
Ikaon na tanong lang gago.
Ay, wala niya gisunod tong
Hey, hey.
tutorial, mga ipin.
And you need to sip that like this. So
Wow.
that you can wala natanggal.
You can ano, tayo na sa mo. So that you can
You can taste the brilliant of the fuck shit.
let's go.
Guys, thank you. Tapos na kami kaon, guys. Take out! Take out! Nakita kami, gago. Saya. Tara na, guys. Let's go. Tandaan nyo ng itsura nga ni guys, oh. Finding beggar. Bigay natin yung pizza, guys. Go.
Looking for a beggar.
Uy! Ano, gago?
Kami tissue, pero gabakal kami pizza. Tissue lang ganun yung ang ganito.
Sandal dapat no? Sandal dapat na.
Inubulsan yung crab, guys.
Did half a say 13 hours till I land. Had me out like a light, like a light.